Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about drawing of the parrot and material which we require for it a sheet pencil. Let's start with the drawing of the parrot. Drawing a parrot is easy and utilizes a few basic shapes. The streamlined shape of the bird is the main focus of this drawing activity. The curved beak looks lovely on the bird. In this drawing, we will learn to draw a parrot perched on the branch of the tree. You can draw it directly, give some outer sketch with the rough lines, and when you mark all the lines, then you go for darken portion to give dark outlining to the parrot. So give some curved and diagonal lines. Detail the head and neck portion. Make the front wing. Detail the tummy and the long triangular part of the wing. Give the dark middle and light strokes. The internal line portions of the body. Give some light and dark line. Sketch the visible part of the wing on the other side and make tiny arcs to detail the feathers of the bird. Draw the feathers in the lower portion of the bird, including the tail. Give some dark lines, some diagonals to give the look of the feathers. Detail the bird's feet and the branch also with the small arcs. You can color the parrot also in a green color if you want. You can partially cover its body in a blue, partially in a green, and partially in a red, as there are various species of parrots on the earth. Neatness in the art would fetch you brownie points. So use the diagonal or other long, small lines. Take the help of the image of the parrot so you can make it perfectly. Make the small circle for the high eye. Make the round eye and the stocky legs. Detail the feet and claws, curved tree branch also give again the shading to highlight the parrot. And if you want to make it step by step, then draw a oval and a circle, connect them with the curved lines, make a tapering guide for the tail, sketch the guide for the feet of the parrot. A straight line would be guide for the branch on which the bird is sitting. Make the curved beak, head and neck portion, front wing, tummy, triangular part of the wings, and branch, and then give detail to the parrot. You can also draw some form of birds which are quite far from us directly with a pencil. No need to take the help of circle and oval. You can draw it freehand and give the shape of the flying birds with the lines, curve, diagonal, and so on. Even you can give shading. So if here are some example of different angles of the birds, their feathers, their movement, only you have to draw some curved diagonal lines and follow the steps. You will be able to make a drawing of any bird in a simple way. Just give the shading, highlight the bird, and your bird is about to ready. Give some. Last, I just want to say do practice and try to make the parrot.